how to make custom typing sounds in Opera GX. So let's get started.
All right, so it's simple. So first, you would need to go into the mods right here. So if you don't have this sidebar, you just need to click here onto Easy Setup button, and from here, make sure that you turn on the Show Sidebar option. And then once you have the sidebar, click here on Mods. And now you just simply need to go here into Sounds. In here, you just simply need to go into Keyboard Sounds, and this is where you could choose your typing sound. So whenever you press a key on your keyboard, it should prompt this sound to go off, and that's how you could make custom typing sounds. So in here, so just enable this right here, and then you can click here on Get More if you don't like the choices in here. And that's it. This is where you would be able to choose your own sounds. So all you have to do is to choose correctly on the keyboard sounds in here. You basically see a lot of mods wherein there is a sound in them. All you have to do is select that sound and then basically install it into your browser. Now, if you would want to create your own from scratch, then what you could do is to go back, and from here you could click here on Create. So basically, you'll be creating another mod, and this is the only way that you'd be able to upload or use your own sounds for typing sounds in Opera GX from scratch. So this is a whole other topic. You can watch my other video on that, on how you'd be able to create your own mod here in Opera GX. But yeah, this is how you could make your own typing sounds in Opera GX. Thank you for watching.